of eternity in this moment.
You will never be alone again. You ride, I ride.
Girl, I'm glad you called. First heard you talk. Took me a second cause I couldn't hear you draw. And that don't sound like you.
You got a death wish or something?
Oh, that don't sound like you.
I just want to race.
I know it's been a while. I don't mean to pry. When I asked you if you happy, I didn't hear a smile. And that don't sound like you. No, that ain't the girl I knew. You always sounded like truck tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? 'Cause you don't sound like you anymore.
I love you. I will always love you.
Your pretty brown hair, you always loved it. Guess he didn't like it, so you just cut it. And that don't sound like you. No, that ain't the girl I knew. You always sounded like truck tires on a gravel road, laughing at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? 'Cause baby, you don't sound like you anymore.
You fight, I fight. And if you ever die on me, Dominic Toretto, I'm alive.
That town, that job, that guy, you can leave him behind. Girl, you know you better than that. If you wanna come back, you can come back. Baby, come back to truck tires on a gravel road,
Ride or
laughing
die.
at the world, blasting my radio, cannonballs splashing in the water, doing whatever, whenever you wanted. What did he do? 'Cause you don't sound like you. Give me the girl I knew. 'Cause you don't sound like you anymore.
I remember it. It came to me like a flood. I remember that
Girl,
night.
I'm glad you called.
I remember it.
First heard you
Everything.
talk.
This
Took
moment
me a second cause I
still
couldn't
ours.
hear your draw.
I remember it all.
It's about time.